Hi dear students, hello, welcome you all. So today we are going to discuss list comprehension. Now, what is list comprehension? List comprehension is a creation of a new list on the basis of existing iterables. For example, we let us see first of all list comprehension, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to create a list on the basis of existing. Before we do that, let us take a scenario how to get a list from the string. Okay, so for this we will be having a simple code, right? Now you can see we have a h letters. It is a simple list. You can see this is an empty list. Now what we have did for letter, it can be I or X, whatever. It's a simple variable which will hold the first character for the first time, and then second, then third, then fourth, and then fifth. And in this next line, what we are going to do, we are simply appending it. So what it does, first of all, letter stores H for the first time, and this H is appended at the end of the list. So it makes H list containing only one H, and then for the next time when the letter contains U, it is appended to the existing list, and hence it makes H U, and similarly so on to till the end, and finally you get this result, right? Human. Now what we can do is we can simply write these two statements in one line. So H letter is a simple word or a simple variable. Now letter for letter in H. So here what it will do, it will simply pick first letter and store in letter, and this letter is appended to the list, and then it will continue till so on. So for example, if we have a list like LSD is equals to, let's say we are going to have I for I in, let's say I can have any let's it be APS, right? And now if I print LST, and now if I execute this, you will see the result here. Now we are getting a list, right? So this is a simple way or a shortcut method of creating a list. Now let me tell you, if you are going to find list comprehension in your book, you will not find this topic because it is out of the syllabus. But since it is a very popular, that's why I'm giving you just a recap of it. Okay. Now let us have a second example. Now you can see here wait a minute. Versus lambda expression, we are not going to take this lambda expression. In class 12th you are going to see what are lambda expression. Actually it is related to functions, and function is something which we will discuss at the end. Okay, now you can check out one more example. Here we have a for loop for x in range, and then we have written a if condition. So from this will create a list of all the even numbers because it is a if, right? And if you want to copy this piece of a code, you can simply copy and paste it. You can also see the URL. You can simply type this and uh, perform all the examples you need, right? Now see, this is another example. Y in range 100 if y modulus 2 is equals to 0, and if y modulus 5 is equals to 0. So only those values whose remainder when you divide it by 2 will be 0 or divided by 5 will be 0 will be in the list. So it is just it will just act like and. Okay, or nested if. Okay, now you can rest, you can do it yourself, and we will discuss other things next day. That's all. Bye bye and see you.